At Red Thread and Steelcase, we build environments that inspire employees and build company culture. And in order to do that, we live in an authentic working showroom every day. As you enter into our space, you enter into our work cafe, which is our social hub, sort of the heartbeat of our office. The space was designed to support a variety of postures and group sizes. The space looks more like a living room than an office, and the living green wall brings the outdoors in. With easy access to power and leading edge technology like our video wall, the space works hard at all hours of the day. Now I'd like you to meet Allison. She's going to talk a little bit about what it's like to work in our space.
Thanks, John. My typical day starts in the work cafe, where I can grab coffee and connect with coworkers. Hey, Jay.
Hey, Allison.
I love having access to power and other spaces nearby. When I have to make a private call, I can quickly hop into a phone booth, or when I need to focus, I head over to a workstation. One of my new favorite spots in the office is the Steelcase Flex collection, which supports agile team-based work. I come here when I want to bounce some ideas off my teammates. It's also great to have a mix of formal and informal meeting rooms to suit any meeting. Over in our leadership area, you can often find them working together at this high-top group table, which encourages us to come over and have a conversation. Hi, guys.
How you doing, Allison?
When they need to focus or have a meeting, they shift to a private office or meeting space nearby.
When we created these enclosed spaces, we wanted a great aesthetic with acoustical privacy and flexibility. With flexibility, I not only mean the ability to break down, move, and reconfigure for change, but to change the wall surfaces from fabrics and whiteboards to integrated technology. Speaking of privacy, let me show you how good the acoustics are. Yeah! Now let's meet Jay in our technology group. Jay, can you tell us a little bit about the technology in our space?
Sure, John. We have many different types of technology in our space, from content sharing on 4K devices to collaborative solutions for groups of many different sizes. Here we have Microsoft Surface Hub 2. It's the newest mobile collaborative device with digital whiteboarding. The mobile stand and battery pack make it easy to move anywhere in the space.
Pretty cool, huh? Now we're going to meet with Dave to learn about how we make our space work for us. Hey, Dave.
Hey, John. You know, we're constantly changing as a company. With Steelcase's Workplace Advisor, we can measure how our space is being used both historically and in real time. Recently, for our renovation, we realized that we needed more enclosed meeting spaces. We were able to solve for this by introducing a couple new meeting pods. We always want to be making smart decisions about our real estate, and with Steelcase's Workplace Advisor, it allows us to do that.
Thanks, Dave. Well, we hope that you enjoyed the tour, and whether you've been in before or you're new to us, we welcome you to come in so we can explore our Boston work life together.